Power via the portfolio account with SmugMug. Hi, I'm Rebecca. In this video I'll tell you the main differences between the Power and the portfolio account with SmugMug. There are 4 plans altogether, which is the basic, the Power, the portfolio and the Pro account with SmugMug. And with all 4 plans you get the unlimited photo storage. So you will upload your JPEGs, GIFs, PNGs and your videos up to about 20 minutes long into a SmugMug gallery. A SmugMug gallery you can then share online. It's a client gallery. You have prints, products, wall art. In the UK, in America, you may have a few other products. In these galleries, what you share online through email, messenger, Facebook. Now, with the portfolio account, you can choose the products, what are in the galleries, and set your own price. Okay, you can have one active price list. With the Power plan, if you send a gallery out with the shopping cart switched on the gallery, those products are at cost price. So the Power plan is really just a website, but there's a lot more to this Power plan, okay? We'll come to the portfolio account. The galleries you share out, you can watermark the images. You can add your own watermark, upload a PNG, upload a JPEG, and you can create a watermark within SmugMug. I've got a video how to do that. It's really easy. And you can set your own price list. So when you're on the portfolio or the Pro account, in the top bar of your SmugMug website, you will have selling tools. So you go to your selling tools, click that, and you can manage your price lists. You go into your price list. The price list you have to start with is a default price list from SmugMug, which has all the products on at the suggested price. You can go in and edit the price list, you can change the prices, and you can also add in downloads and videos to the price list. Now, if you go back to the price list, you can create a new price list. So create new, choose your print lab, if you're in the UK, Loxley colour. Turn off suggested pricing and you will have a blank price list. So you'll choose your products, to go in and you can choose just downloads, just videos, just prints or a mixture, depending what type of photography you are selling online as to what will suit you. You can create your own price list. Click save. Well, once you've chose your products, go in, click on the product and you can set your own price. So the price on the left is a profit and the price on the right is the price you'll be selling the product for. Click save. So you can create as many price lists as you like, but only one will be active. So where the blue star is on the price list, that is your active price list. So what will happen with your SmugMug gallery, within the settings, shopping, when you switch the shopping, visitor shopping cart on, the price list, which is your active price list, is applied to all the galleries in the portfolio account when the shopping cart switched on. Right. Now with the Power plan, you've got your website, but you can still make money with your photography through that website. Okay? That's what website's for. Telling people what you're about, what you do, what you've got to offer, and how you can make money through that Power plan with your SmugMug gallery. It's dead simple, right? Let's say, for an example, you're going to take some photos of houses for an estate agent. You've agreed a price, and what you're going to do is send them the digital downloads. So between you and your estate agent, or however you're doing this, you get the money off them first. I thank you. Right, make sure you get your money. You're going to go and do your job. You're going to upload your photos for whatever the job is to a SmugMug gallery. You're going to switch off the shopping cart so there's no products visible in the gallery. You're going to switch on the download buttons. You can apply a password, if you like, to be able to download those images in photo protection. And then you're going to share that gallery. This is in the power plan, right? So that way, whoever you're doing the job for has paid you for a set amount to have the photos. That's one way of making money out of that power plan. So it's not just a website, but you are going to, if you want to work like that, you need to list exactly how you want to work and what you want from your clients. So an hour photo shoot including all downloads. Put it on your website and advertise that. Put a button there, book and work that way. You will be sending a gallery out with no watermarks on, because on the power plan you cannot watermark your images. It's one way of selling photography. Whereas the portfolio account is for event photographers, wedding photographers, client shoots. It is for sending out a gallery of images so they can sit at home or sit wherever and buy prints and whatever they want direct at your set price. That is the main difference between using the power and the portfolio account. You can use the free photography website templates which SmugMug offer, which are really easy to use. You don't need any codes to create your website. You can create as many pages as you like. You'll just go back to your organize area in the top right corner, create web page. There's different page types, so there's about, there's galleries you can, photo galleries you can add in, and there's the pricing page type list. This is where you'll list all your services, all the services what you provide. Whether you're doing weddings, you diversify. You don't, until you get to a point where you're the professional photographer, if you want to make money out of it, you need to diversify. You need to offer different services. If you're just starting out, one way of making money is through that power plan and downloads to keep your costs down if you don't want to buy the portfolio account. The portfolio account, I say, is for your weddings, events, selling those products online. You can add a custom domain name to the website. You don't have to have a domain name, but if you want your own web address, you can add that, your own custom domain name. You can enable right-click it on the images, so whatever you've got displayed on the website or online, if you right-click on the image, if anyone right-clicks on the image, you can have a little message. So I use the power plan for my dog's website, and on that, if they right-click on the images, it will say, photos copyright Red Iris Setters. And how to do this, on the gallery, which you want this to appear on, you'll go to photo protection, right-click enable. If you don't set up your own message, you'll just have the default SmugMug message, which is absolutely fine. I can't remember what it says, but it reads well. And to set up your own custom message for that, you go to account settings, privacy, and in there you can add your own message. Right-click message and hit save. You've got the free apps. With all the plans, you've got the free SmugMug apps. You can back up your mobile phone, you can back up your hard drive. You've got your Lightroom plugin. So instead of going in Lightroom, saving your images onto your USB or hard drive, upload into a SmugMug gallery, you can go straight, transfer your files straight from Lightroom to a SmugMug gallery. There's so much you can do with a SmugMug website or a SmugMug account. But the main difference between the power and the portfolio account is that the galleries, you can choose your products, set your own price, basically, but you can still make money out of the power plan. And I do have a video how to, the difference between the portfolio and the Pro account, which again is the next step up. You're just adding more features by moving to the Pro account if you're selling your photography online. And I do have more videos, SmugMug videos, how to upload your photos, how to build a photography portfolio website. Right, I'll put all the links above. And I do have a discount off any new SmugMug account. Thanks for watching.